You ever feel like you're just floating, traveling the day to day, doing the same things over and over, letting life just kind of take you wherever it wants to take you? You might feel like it's just home to work, chores, weekend, refresh, repeat. If you're anything like me, you know that this feeling isn't great. So I'm here to tell you the way that I break it up, the way that I make that feeling disappear. There's an entire playground outside. It's beautiful nature, trees, water. The earth provides all that for us with this beautiful creation. I just want to tell you guys, all you have to do is turn the door handle, take a step outside to an entirely different world. Because no one wants to waste their life with work, sometimes meaningless work, or wasting your time being glued to the TV every single night. There's more to life. I just challenge you to get outdoors today.